How to log in into your PH mortgage account. So the first step is to simply search for PH mortgage account and then click on the first link at the top. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on login here in the top right corner. So as you can see, you have mortgage center login and then you have reverse mortgage login. So I'm gonna go and click on the first one, and then you're gonna get redirected here. So as you can see, you have two different options. So you have the option to sign in on, or if you want, you can register right now. So I'm gonna go and click on sign in, and then here what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until this loads up, of course, and then you're gonna have to simply enter your credentials. So you're gonna have to enter your username and password, and then simply click on I agree here, and then click on login, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.